Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with Growtime YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to analyze and give some updates on some swing stocks as well as the index levels which one should look after in the coming days. So before having an explanation on today's topic, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you have subscribed and enabled notifications by clicking the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's get into our analysis. So firstly, we'll analyze the indexes and then move on to stock analysis. Talking about the index, we'll have a look on Nifty 50 first. As you guys can see, I have already marked some important supply and demand zones. Now let me explain why have I drawn these zones. So talking about the red zone here, you can see the markets have been falling sharply, but after a very good downfall, market starts to move in a sideways movement, which can be said that market was consolidating. Do you know why the markets are consolidating? Simple. Imagine you ran 1 kilometers and you are stopped for a while. Why would you stop? Obviously, you had to take a rest so that you can run more, right? Same as compared to the markets. After a good movement, markets always take some rest by moving in a sideways direction, resulting in a range-bound market condition. So after consolidating for a while, markets have broken this range and moved higher. Markets always reverse at support and resistance, so you have to keep that in mind. I've explained in many videos that if a support is getting broken, it will be acting as a resistance, and same vice versa. If a resistance is getting broken, it will be acting as a support for the upcoming markets. So as you can see here, the same has happened here. The support has been broken and it is acting as a resistance. After taking resistance at previous support, the market fell down with the gap down. If you haven't watched a gap up, gap down opening secrets video, I'll leave the link on that I button which you are seeing on your top right corner of the screen. So always gaps acts as a trigger zone. Here you can see the markets after the gap down fell to a consolidated zone. Yeah, it's the support for sure, which gave a very good bounce back to the gap down area and broke that too. We have given an update in our Telegram channel as Nifty broke the gap down area upward with our next targets as the highest resistance marked. So the target was hit, which gave us a mind-blowing 20% ROI option buying trade. As you can see, the markets are in the highest resistance which we have explained. So trading it above will be a good long position. So the trade plan for Nifty is you can buy Nifty above 15,760 with first targets as 15,860, second targets as 15,950 and the final targets as 16,020, covering up with a stop loss below 15,650. So next index, that is the Nifty Bank. Haven't got much analysis on Banknifty, but still managed to find out the important resistance nearby, and I've got a trade plan for that. As you can see in a hourly basis, Banknifty was struggling to break 33,750 to 33,800 levels, which shows us there is quite a good amount of supply in that 50-point zone. So if in the coming days Banknifty managed to cover up the supplies, then we can see more upside movement. Talking about the trade plan, buy Banknifty above 33,790 with first targets as 33,930 and the second targets as 34,120 and the final targets as. So that's it for the index analysis for the coming days. Now let's move on to our swing stock picks. So the first swing stock pick is Windsor Machines. Moving on to a weekly time frame, Windsor Machines is following a beautiful support trend line which indicates higher lows. Now the stock has reached the previous higher low, which is the support of course, and also nearing the support trend line. Surprisingly, the stock has given us some threats that it would reverse. Yes, it has formed a bullish pin bar right near our two reversal expected supports, and that too in a weekly time frame. So if the stock cuts the high of the pin bar candle, we can go long with targets such as 40 to 45 and stop loss below 24. So moving on to a second stock pick, RPP Infra Projects. Same as the previous stock, if we shift it to a weekly time frame, you can see that RPP Infra Projects took a major support at 30 to 35 levels and bounced almost more than 200% on the upside. And yes, the stock has moved all the way down to that major support in which the 200% up move was triggered. Can it be a jackpot trade was a question always, until it has formed a bullish pin bar candle right at that major support. And yes, when the stock is cutting the high of that bullish pin bar candle, one can go long with the stop loss below 30. Targets are open, so don't be greedy and don't expect another 200%. Markets don't support greedy people. So that's it for today's analysis, guys. Before moving on to the conclusion, as usual, I want to introduce my services which I provide for every trader struggling out there. First of all, you have to remember that theoretical knowledge doesn't give you profit in trading. Are you losing in the markets? Feeling missed out while taking trades? There's no one to ask? Let us be your last choice. Join our trading room right away and trade with us throughout the market from open to close completely live. We will be connected through Google Meet from the market open to the close completely in live, in which way you can share, discuss, analyze, trade with us all together. We also have a separate WhatsApp group for our trading group members in which we discuss and share much more updates all together just like in community. Yeah. Follow us on Instagram or join our Telegram channel to see the updates and profits we are making in our trading room. Links are given in the description below. We are also providing a 30% off on our trading room subscription for the people who click the link of opening a Demat account under Enrich Broking and start trading in that account. Trading room is only for traders who have some basic knowledge about the markets, candlesticks, and also trade executions. If you are a complete beginner, you don't even know what is stock market but want to join our trading room, don't worry, we got you in that too. We also have a basic 10 days one-on-one course which is designed for people with zero knowledge and educating all the portions and skill needed to join our trading room. And the basic course is available in English, Malayalam, and also Tamil. For more information, my WhatsApp number is given in the description below, so feel free to drop a message. So anyway, guys, I'm concluding this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video, guys. Until then, bye and take care.